question that allows me to talk about a very important thing in Horary. A lady wanted to know about a thing that happened a long time ago in her distant past. And I'm talking about 10, 15 years ago. It was a valid question. It was a question about, it was a real question about something that might or might have not happened. And I haven't opened the chart yet. So I'm not talking about that chart in particular. I'm talking about theory in general. The chart doesn't have to tell you this thing happened in a distant past, and you don't have to rewind the chart back until you find 10 to 15 years ago. Why? Because that's how Horary works. The question frames the situation, which gives the chart the context. So the chart is, we like to say that the chart is a snapshot of something. In this case, if it is a snapshot of something, it's a snapshot of a situation 15 years ago. But it is mechanically the chart for today. It's not a transit. That's not how astrology, especially not Horary astrology, works. I don't have to look for the sky of 15 years ago, because the important thing is the question, is the focus of the client. The client really wants to know that. So the chart will reflect that situation, regardless of when it happened or when it will happen. As I said in another video, and this is one example among many, I said in another video that astrology necessarily does not work through force emission. The planets do not send forces to us. And Horary provides us with countless examples of that. We can talk about Horary reflecting the past, as in this case. Not my past, but the chart is cast for where I am, but the past of someone else. And this someone else probably is not at the same place, the same geographical place in which that thing happened. The chart can tell us about something that will happen in the future, somewhere else, here or somewhere else. And in the case of a lost wallet, or of a lost object, for example, it can tell you about the present. And the present of the place in which the chart is cast, or the present for someone else, for somewhere else. And so that's what I wanted to share with you, how Horary captures the situation through the focus of the client. So, thanks for listening. If it was confusing, I'm sorry. I was walking in the middle of the street. I'm back from the market, as you can see. And if it was not very clear, please ask anything you want.